did my division rivals rewards earlier. Um, and I opened two. I think it was Electrum player packs. I got Adariz and let me have a look. Uh, I think he's untradeable, so I'll go back. I can't remember. I think it was Asam. It might have been Asamoah. I'm not sure. But yeah, I got Adariz as well. Nice card. But he won't fit into my team. So yeah, we're gonna open these other two packs. I don't know what packs they are. I think they're Jumbo Premium Gold packs. I think there might be 25k packs, but I'm not sure. But let's just open them anyway. Not a walkout. It's not even boards. That's disappointing. Oh yeah, I got 1,000 coins. That would have been a good player to get if it was tradable. Oh, I should have just swapped him. Oh, whoops. It's not a walkout in this one, but at least it's boards this time. Lucas Vasquez. The untradeable thing, obviously, to get more packs than that. It's not bad, I guess. Actually, might use Danny Rose. I have Andy Robertson at the moment. Let's have a look at. That's actually not bad. Good pace, pass, and dribbling in that. It's not actually that bad. It's pretty decent actually. Yeah, I'm not sure. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. I'm gonna. Um. New team in a week is pretty decent. I bought some FIFA points. I'm gonna open some 12.5k packs. Not even boards. Yeah, go on. Mhm. No. I got no one in that pack. I got 82 rated. Not even. Not even 81 rated. No one again. I already used Pickford. Let's go put one transfer market. No one good. Never anyone good. USA. Apart from a wire. Don't know. Please give me a walkout. It's not even a walkout. Bartra. I got no one in these packs. I literally just spent 10 quid on nothing. Yeah, pretty much. The best player I got is 83 rated. It's alright. He sells for about, what, like 2k. I already use him. Yeah, I could put a maximum like 2.5k. Then right, and then 1.5k. You know what? Since I'm broadcasting, I might as well just let me just check. Give me 2 seconds. Jeez. Hold on. Anyway, yeah, we are streaming. We got 4 packs to open. Yeah, we got these. We're obviously gonna open a 2-player pack first, then the Prime Mix Players pack, and then the Jumbo Premium Gold pack. I did 2, but these Prime Mix Players pack and the Jumbo Premium Gold pack are for the Squad Battles rewards. I missed 2 days of it, so that's not good. And I got these 2 from Gold Upgrade SBCs. And just checking something. Yeah, okay. Okay, right. Let's just open this first. This players pack. I've never got a walkout. I've been out of the game that long. This game isn't a walk. Oh, this isn't a walkout. It's not even boards. It costs 93 pace. 77 rated, so that means the other person isn't good. No, he's not. I'll probably just use him for SVC. Also not a walkout. Also is boards. I mean, it's an improvement, but not the best. 91 pace. Why am I getting people with good pace? I'm not complaining. I'll just do this. Please be a walkout. Oh, it's a walkout. It's a walkout. Spanish. Send it back. Yo, that's decent. My first walkout of the game. My first walkout is someone I'm actually going to use. Let's go. I know it's nothing massive, but my first walkout on a game is someone I'm actually going to use. Let's go. No, I don't even care if I don't get a walkout this pack. No, it's not a walkout, but please be boards. Okay, it's boards. Brazil, CBM. Lucas. 83 rated. Okay, that's decent. It was only a little pack opening. Wait, hold on. Let me see if. Hold on. Let me do this. No, wrong thing. Oh, I got my first walkout. Oh, for those of you who want to see my team, this is my team at the moment. I know there was a lone player up front. I know. I'm gonna swap that. Just give me 2 seconds. It's because Murat is injured. That's why. But now, I can put I can just put Roy there for a second. I can swap him. I'm putting my first walkout as Filaqueta. Oh, that is my best pull so far. I know I might seem like overexcited about Azpilicueta, but first walkout. I've this game for 1 week or 2 weeks today. So yeah, this is not bad. Okay, wait, oh no. Don't buy one. Right, so it's gold. Azpilicueta is actually a pretty decent one as well. I think it's really sad that Farman has an 83 rated card. Like, I've never seen an 83 rated non-rare gold card before. That's quite sad, isn't it? Because most, like, 77 rated rare gold, 83 rated non-rare gold. Make sure to drop a follow if you like what you see. And turn on notifications if you want more. Should I get rid of these players? Because I'm not going to use them. Oh no. Probably. Sterling was the best player I've packed before, just then. This will probably be my last. It's only like a little stream, like, literally it's going to be like not even 10 minutes long. But that's because I literally just came on to do these rewards and thought I might as well stream it as well. Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube, SWR Juniper, like the Twitch username. Always one player short. That's really annoying. How are we? Oh yeah, right, it's gonna buy a non-regal centre back. No, was it centre back or right back? I think it was centre back. 400 coins. There's people on the market for 400 coins. Okay. Okay. Not be able to buy any of these guys on. Van Beekers though. Oh. Are all of these gonna be bought? No. Okay. Right. That should be enough. Yeah, it's only 4 chemistry. I was at -1 chemistry. Okay, let me just buy right back all on. I was literally just whacking in players. That's so quick. We're probably not getting on good, but hopefully. Oh my. Good W. Then left back for 450 coins. Last one on the market. No. Still good at squad building. No. What? Oh no. Who wait? Okay, right now I should be able to open the pack. Oh, fuck. Oh, there you go. Okay, submit squad. Okay, right. This could be my last pack, and then I'm gonna. Then I'm gonna end the stream. It was only like a literally like a 10-minute stream. Not even that. Just open a few packs. It's not a walkout. It's not even boards. 91 pace. I'm getting so many quick players. 91 pace and 88 pace. I'm just gonna send them to club. Alright, let's just see our team at the moment. This is my team. This is my team at the moment. Obviously Sturridge won't be there when Morata's not injured. I didn't go there because I'll actually use him. But Morata is injured. He's got an injured leg. No, I don't have any injured leg stuff. Knee doesn't. Yeah, so after one game, he should be. If I was to put him there, it's still 183. Yeah, got a 183 team. I guess it's not bad. Obviously, my best. Yeah, we got. Let's look at his stats. His stats isn't 87 defending is good. He's got all right pace, all right passing, all right dribbling, all right physical. That's a decent player. He's untradeable, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, I can actually list him up. He goes for about 35k, about 35k. Look, someone's building him there for 30k. I'm going to use him for a bit of test him out and that. Well, I've only got Bailly to replace him at the moment. But, yeah, that was decent little pack opening.